Ladies, looking to stay classy and elegant even when the temperature rises? You're in the right place. So, while you may already be familiar with some of these accessories, this video offers a fresh perspective. I'll show you how to elevate your summer outfits with stylish pieces, all while keeping your budget in check. So, let's dive into the video and discover how to effortlessly achieve that sophisticated summer look. In the symphony of summer, the wide brim hat plays its part, a silent sentinel of style, offering respite from the blazing sun with an air of effortless sophistication. Ladies, when it comes to summer hats, the key to looking effortlessly stylish lies in finding the perfect balance between practicality and panache. This way, it will project a confident image of a woman who is unafraid to command attention and bask in the limelight. But what's the key to looking stylish in summer hats? One, matching your outfit. Ladies, when selecting the perfect hat to complement your outfit, color coordination is key. Begin by assessing both the hues in your ensemble and those of your hat. If your outfit boasts a palette rich in neutrals such as classic black, crisp white, or soothing beige, you have a versatile canvas to work with. In contrast, if you're embracing bold and vibrant colors, it's essential to choose a hat that either blends seamlessly with these hues or introduces a complementary contrast. So, for effortless elegance, opt for hats in timeless neutral shades like nougat, cream, or tan. These versatile options effortlessly complement any ensemble, whether you're embracing a monochromatic look or incorporating a playful splash of color. However, if your hat boasts its own bold color or striking pattern, consider toning down your outfit to let it shine. Alternatively, you can echo the hues featured in your hat with complementary elements such as accessories or garments. But for those seeking a more harmonious aesthetic, monochromatic pairing offers an elegant solution. By selecting hues, shades, or tints from the same color family for both your outfit and hat, you can achieve a cohesive and refined look. Picture a navy blue dress paired with a sky blue hat. This subtle variation adds depth and interest without overwhelming the senses. A woman's handbag is her silent companion, always by her side, carrying her secrets with grace and elegance. Ladies, did you know your handbag can also be a powerful fashion statement? Or did you know it's possible to shop affordably for handbags and still look expensive? Here are some great ideas on how to make your handbag look designer. A key way to elevate the elegance of your handbag is by ensuring your entire ensemble exudes sophistication. The bag should seamlessly harmonize with the color palette and style of your attire. Here are 5 refined tips on how to stylishly coordinate your bag with your outfit. 1. Embrace a 3-color rule, ladies. Adhere to a maximum of 3 colors in your outfit, including your shoes. Exceeding this limit risks creating a mismatched appearance, but note, this doesn't confine you to neutral tones. For the daring fashionista, consider pairing a vibrant bag with a monochromatic outfit. The key is to make your styling appear intentional rather than random. Remember this, ladies. If your outfit is already bustling with colors or intricate designs, opt for a neutral bag in shades like black, brown, or gray. This choice allows your attire to take center stage, while the bag adds a touch of understated elegance. 2. Experiment with texture. Ladies, you can enhance your outfit by playing with different textures. So, for example, if your attire consists mostly of a single fabric, like denim or cotton, introduce a bag made from a contrasting material such as leather or suede. This not only adds visual interest to your look, but also provides an opportunity to explore a variety of textures and colors, enriching your overall style. 3. Choose handbags that fit. Choosing the right handbag goes beyond mere fashion. It's about complementing your unique body type to elevate your entire look. A handbag is a statement piece, and the right choice will proclaim your grace and sophistication. Picking a design that best fits your height and weight makes all the difference. For instance, a large bucket shoulder bag looks incredible on a woman 5'7" and above, but can instantly make a more petite woman appear frumpy. For those women, something small and structured will work really well. A universally flattering option is a simple medium crossbody or shoulder bag. In all cases, avoid excessive hardware and stick to structured, classic designs so you wear the handbag. It doesn't wear you. Additionally, proper care for your handbags is crucial. Ensure they have appropriate storage to avoid squishing, scratching, or other damage, maintaining their elegance and longevity. In the midst of summer's symphony, wrap yourself in silk scarves, the epitome of effortless elegance. And, in the languid days of summer, let your style speak volumes with the effortless grace of silk scarves, a timeless emblem of elegance. So ladies, silk scarves, when chosen and styled with care, can effortlessly elevate your summer ensemble to new heights. Renowned for their sophistication and maturity, silk scarves are a timeless accessory that adds a touch of elegance to any look. But how do you choose a silk scarf that truly complements your style? Let's delve into the realm of color first. If you desire your silk scarf to be the focal point of your ensemble, opt for vibrant hues such as red, lilac, garnet, or any other luscious shade that catches your eye. Should you wish for the scarf to harmonize with your attire, select a tone that harmonizes with your clothing or accessories. So ladies, here are chic ways to wear a silk scarf during summer. 1. Wear it as a belt. Picture a vibrant silk scarf, its hues dancing against the simplicity of your attire, infusing it with a playful charm. Introducing a scarf belt to your wardrobe ensures your basics transcend the ordinary. Picture this: a scarf belt delicately cinched around a breezy maxi dress, or casually looped through the loops of vintage denim, adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. With its bright colors and striking patterns, a silk scarf effortlessly revitalizes any understated ensemble. So ladies, embrace the art of effortless sophistication, where a simple accessory like a silk scarf can redefine your style narrative, turning the mundane into the extraordinary. Let your fashion journey be adorned with elegance, love, and an unwavering sense of refinement. 2. Wear as a bandana or as a hair accessory or headscarf. Embrace timeless elegance with the classic bandana style. It's a fusion of sporty allure and chic sophistication, effortlessly taming those unruly flyaway strands. Note, ladies, they not only elevate your style, but also provide unparalleled care for your hair. I love this style because it elevates your hairstyle to new heights with the luxurious touch of a silk scarf. Channeling the iconic flair of the 60s, this versatile accessory complements a myriad of hair textures, from luscious curls to sleek, straight locks. Whether elegantly wrapped into a headband or delicately woven into a braid, silk scarves exude an air of unexpected opulence. Embrace the effortless elegance of accessorizing with a silk scarf adorning your handbag. This no-fuss option not only exudes sophistication, but also elevates your entire ensemble effortlessly. Whether you're toting a straw bag for a casual outing or a chic satchel for a formal affair, the addition of a silk scarf lends a touch of luxury without the hassle. For a truly eye-catching effect, opt for a scarf in a color or pattern that complements your handbag perfectly. In the golden haze of summer, a watch's elegance outshines the brightest days. So ladies, how do you wear a watch for an elegant look? 1. Choose a watch with a metal bracelet. For an air of sophistication, opt for a watch with a metal bracelet. Metal exudes elegance and is perfect for formal occasions, effortlessly elevating your ensemble. Leave a lasting impression with a timeless piece on your wrist. 2. Coordinate your accessories. Ladies, you can do this by harmonizing your accessories for a polished look. Match your watch with complementary pieces like silver-toned jewelry for a cohesive ensemble. Note, ladies, attention to detail speaks volumes about your style sensibilities. 3. Harmonize materials in your outfit. Create synergy in your attire by echoing materials across your accessories. So for example, a leather watch strap harmonizes effortlessly with other leather accents, while a steel watch seamlessly complements metal accessories. Let your ensemble resonate with elegance. 4. Align your watch with your style. Define your style identity and select a watch that resonates with it. Whether you're drawn to classic allure or modern sophistication, let your watch reflect your persona. Note, ladies, consider the occasion and outfit to curate a look that exudes confidence and refinement. Ladies, as the warmth of summer envelops us, let it ignite a newfound sense of self-love within you. This season, I urge you to embrace every facet of your being with tenderness and appreciation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.